Hi, this is Kelly and Tammy's journey. Kelly, that is me. I am going to change a canister purge control valve on a Chevy 2017 Chevy Traverse. And I'll show you the procedures of what I do on how to change it and replace a new one. All right. Now this is the first step you got to do. You got to take this cover off to be able to change the purge valve. And then this cover here just pops off. Sorry about that, y'all. It just pops off. You put it down on the ground, out the way. And then the purge valve is right here. And you just got to push these clips. These pop off. And then you got to wiggle it. There's a button on each side. You got to pull that off. Put it out the way. And this clip here, you pinch it. Supposed to be able to pinch it. Sometimes it's stubborn. Like this one. Okay. You undo that. And then on this side, you can see down here, there's one bolt. 10 millimeter. You undo the 10 millimeter. And then you just pull this off. Which I'll do later when I get the other part in. But for now, that's what I'm showing y'all. This is the steps. All right. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I'm going to show you how to take it off. We'll go ahead and just very hard. It's a 10 millimeter socket. And you just undo it. And once you got it undone, you wiggle this out and it comes off just like that. And to replace it, you just reverse the process, but I'll show you that a little later on in this video. All right, y'all seen how I took it off. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back on, which is the same way, it's just opposite, and just put it in reverse. It's a little more difficult because the O-ring's a little more tighter because it's not worn out. You gotta line the bolt. Sometimes it's a little. There we go. There we got it. You line the bolt. And you just tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten it because you'll break the bracket. Mind, you know, just remember that. What you want to do is snug it up. Done. Take this one and you push until it clicks and it's on. Then you put this wire until it snaps. And set a hard head like everybody else, you know what I'm saying? They just push until it snaps. There we go, and that's it. And that's how you change this part. Now, to finish the rest of it, take the cover, just cover back on, and snap to them. Make sure to put your all cover back on. And the job is done. Thank you for coming by. I hope that helps you. And stand by for our next videos coming up soon.